Hi, I'm Harris Waddles with Amba Products, and today we're focusing on our Sirio collection of heated towel racks. Imagine stepping out of a bath or shower and reaching for a towel that's already warm, or slipping into a cozy robe on a chilly morning. Designed and crafted in Italy, Sirio racks feature bars with a rounded outer edge and a tapered inner side, giving them a distinctive, sculpted profile. Each one is made from durable, recyclable 304 grade stainless steel, and the collection includes 4 stocked sizes to fit different spaces. You can choose polished or brushed stainless steel, satin brass, or brushed bronze finishes, with special order models available for even more size and custom finishes to match almost any other manufacturer's finish. Every Sirio model is hardwired and pairs with our touch digital heat controller or its remotely wired version, so you can select the warmth that feels best to you. A patented element heats the bars in about 10 to 15 minutes, and updated electrical connectors make installation straightforward and secure. Though Sirio shines in bathrooms, its usefulness goes far beyond. In a mudroom or entryway, it replaces coat hooks and warms jackets and hats before you head outside. In a pool house, it dries swimsuits and towels in no time. In a ski lodge or mountain cabin, it keeps gloves and jackets warm and ready. Warming and drying fabrics, the Sirio eliminates moisture and helps prevent mold and mildew, making everyday routines feel indulgent. With its Italian design, luxurious finishes, and intuitive controls, the Sirio collection elevates the idea of a heated towel rack, blending elegance and comfort for the way you live. For more information, visit us online at ambaproducts.com.